What's up, YouTube? Nico Little Life here. So since I didn't complete the challenge last week, Becca decided to be a prick and make me do the consequence. So I'm going to take up this week's challenge and presenting special guest Mother.
Hello there. I don't know who I'm talking to, but I am Nico.
You're talking to YouTube, Mom. Great.
Nico's a challenge. Nico is a challenge. He is a challenge.
How am I a challenge?
Because Nico has this really lopsided view.
How is my view lopsided?
Well, I don't know. Your view is like basically the movie Wanted, you know, with the bullets that shoot around corners. That's what his thinking is.
So I have a really badass way of thinking.
No, it's not necessarily. It's not necessarily bad. I mean, you know, I get
badass.
It. Well, badass.
Fact number 2.
Nico is highly intelligent with a seriously inflated ego. He does not have a seriously inflated ego. Right?
Cough, cough.
What fact are we on?
We're still on fact 2.
Okay.
Fact 3. Fact 3.
Okay.
I don't have an ego.
This is truth. Nico comes to me and presents me with plans he's already got made, and they're set, and then in his roundabout way asks, is that okay? But of course, you know, he's already set the plans in motion, and he has at least 5 other people depending on him to hold up his part.
It's pressure.
So the guilt works. You know, we're like the opposite. He's the Jewish mother, and I'm the.
How am I the Jewish mother?
Well, you know.
I'm a male. I can't be a mother.
Well, you use the guilt trap. I mean, you know.
Fact number 4.
Yeah, fact number 4. Nico's idea of a clean room. We need to get a camera and like actually explore.
Look, here, see that looks pretty clean, doesn't it?
Yeah, the parts that you shot. Keep it like waist high. And he burps very well. I didn't, even when he was a baby, I really didn't have to go like that. You know, it's like he'd just burp on his own.
Pure man fortitude right there. Fact number 5.
Fact number 5.
16 years, you can't think of one more fact. It's alright. You can end it with like a nice sweet gesture. Even though my son's a fuck up, he's gonna make it somewhere.
I really, you know, see the bad language. It's like he learned it from me. I get that, you know, because I do talk like a sailor. Huge character defect on my part. However, you know, I'm 61, he's 16, and I really get caught off guard sometimes when he uses it in front of me. He is a very sincere person, and he's a very committed person to whatever commitment that he makes. He takes it serious.
Wink, wink, vloggworld.
I'm proud of who you are. I'm proud of your integrity. I'm proud of your empathy. I'm proud of your intuitiveness with people and your unending kindness to people. The majority of the time, I have to say that Nico chooses to be the bar that other people aspire to.